Keyboard shortcuts to arrange Chrome tabs on Windows. Scenario: I hit Ctrl+T to open a new tab, but I don't want it as the rightmost tab, I want to slide it a few tabs to the left. Can I do this using just the keyboard or do I have to use the mouse? I can't see a shortcut here. Windows keyboard shortcuts, Chrome help. Something like Ctrl+Shift+Left would work nicely.
Current solution, 2019. There aren't any built-in, but there are extensions that provides this functionality. I'm now using this Chrome extension, recommended, rearrange tabs. You do have to edit the settings by going to Chrome column//extensions/shortcuts, and then changing the values as shown in this screen, if you want to match the Linux shortcuts. Happy Days Smile. Legacy Extension, 2015. This is the original one, not updated since 2015, keyboard shortcuts to reorder tabs. You need to reload all tabs after installing it or it won't work.
Ctrl+Shift+Page up. Ctrl+Shift+Page down.
If you don't want to use extensions, you can focus tabs using F6, F6. Now you're in tab selection mode, and can use the keyboard for a variety of tab editing tasks. Move cursor, left or right. Move tabs, Ctrl+Left or Ctrl+Right. Move to the beginning or end, Ctrl+Shift+Left or Ctrl+Shift+Right. Enter focuses the page. This also works very nicely with tab groups. Create new groups by pressing Menu, down, right, Enter, name of group, Enter. You can move tabs into groups with Ctrl+arrow. Expand or fold group by moving the cursor to the group label and press Enter. Change group settings by pressing Menu. I currently don't know of a way to select multiple tabs. If you are remapping these shortcuts using auto hotkey or macros, use Ctrl+L, Shift+F6 to focus tabs, and Ctrl+L, F6 to focus the page. These shortcuts work from anywhere, regardless of what is currently focused.
With VMC extension you can move tabs to left or right using the Shift+ or Shift+... keyboard shortcuts.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.